Hi everyone, I'm here with another new airdrop. This one is calling BUNNYCAKE, and I will show you how to claim 200 million bunny cakes in our Trust wallet. The first thing you must do, open your Trust wallet, go to the dapp browser. From description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. Now you can scroll down to see. You see here that airdrop end in 47 days. Here you can buy tokens. Now they are very cheap now. You can follow them in Telegram group or Twitter, and here you can watch everything you need to know about the tokens, how many holders, how many transfer. I will show you this later. So let's claim airdrop. Now go up and click this claim airdrop. We see here that something we will pay for the tokens and a small amount of fee. You can always play with the fee to reduce. You must go in here, but I'm pretty okay with that number, so I don't want to play. So just click here to approve. And now wait a few seconds to see the transaction is okay. In the middle, we can go check this Binance Smartchain scan. We see here total supply of bunny cakes, how many holders, and how many transfers were made. And here you get contract address. Now you can copy this address from here, or you can copy from the description below. We will need this for add tokens in our wallet. So click here. Now go back. Go to the Trust wallet. Pardon, we are in Trust wallet. Just click wallet. Now click this to add tokens. From now you can, when I say you can copy and paste it contract address from description below or from Binance Smartchain scan. I will put this in the description below to link to the Binance Smartchain scan. And we see that the token is not added. Now we must add it ourselves, so click this, add custom token. Now don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. And now just click this. And we see that token was automatically added. Now we just want to click this done to activate it in our wallet. And we see 200 million bunny cake token in our wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe and hit that thumb up button. See you in the next airdrop. Bye.